Africa, place of precious adventures. The wildest paths become the most interesting in South Africa. Wait, while enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. On safari, you will come across an awe-inspiring cast of African creatures that will make your jaw drop. Enough of wild moments. Get to the Boulders Penguin Colony and enjoy some cute interactions. Cape Town has history, nature, culture and art mixed in the finest form to make your stay extra fantastic. Not just for the sights, but the beaches of South Africa provide adventures beyond your imagination. Your regular adventures get a dramatic makeover as scenic drives and hiking journeys start at Blythe River Canyon Nature Reserve. South Africa even makes your driving routes enchanting with pretty coastal towns, lagoons and coastal cliffs. Don't leave Cape Town without a day trip to Stellenbosch, as beautiful wine estates, outdoor activities and fine restaurants await. This destination also offers a mouth-watering range of food. Try the braai after all your exploring. At the end of your trip, you will want to revisit South Africa for its countless wonders. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.